Okay guys, apparently it is actually cold out here. I got like 3 different layers on. So let's go out here and let's see just how much snow is out here. Oh shit. It is fucking cold. Yeah, it definitely is cold. Oh, damn, that is some harsh winds right there. See? Nothing but snow. Crap ton of snow. Well, not a crap ton, but just enough. Enough to make my ass freeze. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all. I'm gonna show all of you. Wait, where's the. Damn. Is it. Well, apparently. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna show all of you the snow. Yeah. Crap ton of snow, in my opinion. Whew. My hands are already frozen. Sheesh. Okay guys, that's all I can handle. I'm heading back inside.